Hello investors, welcome to Investors Central. In this video, we are going to discuss about an index fund that invests in momentum stocks. Yes, your guess may be right. We are going to discuss about the index fund that replicates Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund, and this fund is managed by Motilal Oswal AMC. So we are going to discuss about Motilal Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund. Now let us see how the stocks are selected. That is the stock selection methodology. Normalized score is calculated for each company and based on 6 and 12-month price return average, top 30 companies are selected. And NSE rebalances this portfolio for every 6 months in June and September. Motilal ETF replicate the portfolio of NSE 200 Momentum 30 Index through the ETF we are discussing about. That is Motilal Oswal Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund. Friends, the nature of this investment is based on momentum. So, here when we check the performance of the index, we are getting a good return. Year to date return is 35% and 1 year return is 66%. 5 year return is 29% CAGR. And since inception, the fund has given 20.52% CAGR. So the 1 and 5 year returns are extremely good, including the YTD, that is year to date, that is from today back to 1 year. That return is also good. And coming to standard deviation, the standard deviation is little higher in 5 years as well as 1 year also. And beta is 1.21. Above 1 means there will be higher volatility in the fund. And coming to the fundamentals of this fund, P by E ratio of all the 30 stocks in this fund is 25.11. Index Nifty 50's P by E is around 23. This fund's P by E is around 25.11, which means this fund is little costlier than Nifty 50, and P by B, price by book value, is 5.31 and dividend yield is 1.14%. Portfolio of the investment: Tata Motors, NTPC, Trent, Adani Ports, Bharti Airtel, Coal India, Bharat Electronics, REC, Bajaj Auto, Mahindra are the top 10 stocks in the portfolio, and maximum allocation is at 5.73% only. And that is the top stock allocation, that is Tata Motors allocation is 5.73%. And totally there are 30 stocks in the fund as the fund suggests, and top 10 stocks allocation holding is 50.32%, and remaining 20 stocks are 50%. So that is the portfolio of this fund, friends. And coming to the sectoral weightage, consumer cyclical is the largest, which is into autos, which can be autos, that is 28.91%. And industrials is the second sector with 26.97% allocation, and financial services is the next one with 10.96% allocation in the fund. And coming to the geographical allocation, all the investments are from India only. Asia emerging is 100%, as we can see here. So these are the portfolio details of the fund, friends. This fund's inception date is 2022. And Swapnil Mayekar is the fund manager of this fund, and manager start date is also same. NAV of this fund is 18. In 2 years, the fund is able to almost give 82% returns. That is absolute return. And total AUM is 765 crores. And expense ratio of this fund is 0.31. Only 15 days is the exit load chargeable tenure. So these are the basic details of this fund, friends. Coming to key strengths and weaknesses of this fund. Key strengths are decent returns provided by the fund, strong track record of the index managed by NSE, and as the fund replicates that portfolio, this fund, we can expect the same returns and same portfolio of the index in this fund. A focused portfolio of 30 stocks is another strength for investors to invest. And low expense ratio, only 0.31% is the expense ratio of this fund. And exit load, very good exit load structure. Exit load is only up to 15 days in this fund. Coming to the drawbacks of this fund, little higher volatility is there in this fund, and it is the only drawback in this fund I can see. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the information shared, please do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.